Whether interior designing is a good career choice depends on various factors, including your interests, skills, market demand, and personal goals. Here are some points to consider. Creativity. Interior designing is a highly creative field that allows you to express your artistic talents and design skills. If you enjoy creating aesthetically pleasing spaces and have a knack for combining colours, textures, and furniture, then interior designing could be a rewarding career for you. Demand. There is generally a demand for interior designers, especially in urban areas where there's a high concentration of construction and renovation projects. However, the level of demand may vary depending on economic conditions and trends in the housing and commercial real estate markets. Skill development. To succeed as an interior designer, you need to develop a range of skills, including spatial awareness, design software proficiency, project management, communication, and client relations. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in the industry are also crucial. Flexibility. Interior designing offers flexibility in terms of work environment and specialization. You can work as an independent freelancer, join a design firm, or even start your own interior design business. Additionally, you can specialize in residential, commercial, hospitality, or sustainable design, depending on your interests and expertise. Challenges. Like any career, interior designing has its challenges. It can be competitive, and building a reputation and client base may take time. Dealing with demanding clients, tight deadlines, and budget constraints are also common challenges in this field. Financial considerations. The earning potential in interior designing can vary based on factors such as experience, location, specialization, and the size of projects you undertake. While some interior designers earn a comfortable income, others may struggle financially, especially in the early stages of their career. Passion. Ultimately, your passion for design and your willingness to put in the effort to succeed will play a significant role in determining whether interior designing is the right career choice for you. In conclusion, interior designing can be a fulfilling and rewarding career for individuals with a passion for design, creativity, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt to industry trends. However, it's essential to thoroughly research the field, understand its challenges, and assess whether it aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term career goals before pursuing it as a career.